saw a web series which inspired him to grow cannabis. He grew 80 cannabis plants in his flat and sold weed on the dark web. His plants and paraphernalia were worth more than 50 lakh rupees. But then he was caught by the police. The man who tried to pull off a breaking bad in Uttar Pradesh is 46-year-old Rahul Chaudhary, and he was arrested for illegally cultivating cannabis and selling it through the dark web. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act of 1985 prohibits the cultivation of cannabis, and state governments have jurisdiction over it. But the use of cannabis for medical, scientific, industrial and horticultural purposes is permitted.
एक ओजी प्लांट्स की फार्मिंग, इंडोर फार्मिंग कर रहा था और ओजी प्लांट से जैसे कि पता है वीड एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, तो ये वीड वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करता था.
Rahul is the son of a sub-inspector in Noida who passed away in 2013. He was offered to join his father's duty on a dependent quota, but he couldn't clear the test. Their family was originally from Meerut, and after Rahul completed his post-graduation in English, he moved to Noida in 2000. Rahul started running an eatery here, but he had to shut it after the COVID-19 pandemic. He had a wife and 2 children to support. When the time got tough, Rahul started using weed. This is when he started to explore the dark web, watch movies and read books on cannabis cultivation, said the Noida DSP, Saad Mia Khan. Rahul started by growing a few plants for his personal use and turned it into a business 4 months before he was caught. The 80 plants that were seized were his first harvest.
ये डार्क वेब पे अलग अलग कस्टमर्स को अभी तक 10 से 20 पौधे इसने बताए बेच चुका था 50 से 60 हज़ार की कीमत में. ये 100 to 110 डेज में एक पौधा तैयार होता था और पर पौधा 5 से 7 हज़ार की इसकी लागत थी.
Rahul grew the plants through a meticulous process.
ये सीड्समैन की एक वेबसाइट है, उससे ये सीड्स मंगाता था और उसको इंडोर एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो करता था. ग्रो करने के लिए इसने एसी रूम कंट्रोल टेम्परेचर और बाकी पेस्टिसाइड्स इंसेक्टिसाइड्स की भी व्यवस्था करी हुई थी. और इंडोर लाइटिंग भी उसने फुल स्पेक्ट्रम लाइट आती है जो कि सनलाइट का एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करती है, वो भी इसने क्रिएट कर रखी थी. तो कल ये एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन में इसको गिरफ्तार किया है.
The Uttar Pradesh police was carrying out a campaign called Operation Prahar to take action against illegal weapons, liquor and drugs. During this operation, the police received a tip-off regarding Rahul Chaudhary. When Rahul went to hand over a packet to a customer, the police arrested him. This was a joint operation by Narcotics Cell, Ecotech 1 and Beta, said DCP Khan.
SSCP मैम के निर्देशन में ऑपरेशन प्रहार चल रहा है, उसमें एक अच्छा अचीवमेंट है.
After getting caught, Rahul told the police he grew the cannabis at his rented flat in Greater Noida.
इसके जो इंडोर सेटअप है वहाँ से हमें 80 प्लांट्स, 2 किलो गांजा और जो फार्मिंग के अलग अलग पेस्टिसाइड्स इंसेक्टिसाइड्स हैं वो हम लोगों ने बरामद किए हैं. अनुमानित कीमत 50 लाख से ऊपर है. 80 पौधे हैं तो और बाकी इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, केमिकल्स हैं, पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं, तो वो मोर देन 50 lakhs की इसमें कीमत है.
Days before Rahul was arrested, a couple in Bengaluru was also arrested for growing cannabis in their balcony. The police found out about it through a Facebook video that the woman had uploaded. The maximum punishment for possessing cannabis is 10 to 20 years imprisonment and a fine of 1 to 2 lakh rupees. In Rahul's case, Section 20 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was invoked, which punishes the cultivation of cannabis plant with a prison term which may extend to 10 years and a fine of up to 1 lakh rupees.